So these are my products right here. This right here, woo, I don't know, this shampoo right here really hydrates my hair. Helps my curls pop out. This conditioner is also, you know, amazing. And then I use a little bit of Nairobi leave-in, the Nairobi foam, and good old Eco Styler gel. I know some people don't like it, but it works for my hair. I got the extra nap, so I need that thickness. So anyway, I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks after I shampoo my hair. All right, so I'm back. I just finished shampooing my hair and conditioning my hair. So this is what it looks like when I first take it off. And as you can see, definitely you can see some of the curl pattern. I don't know what that keratin shampoo does, but it does pop my curls out even before I really get started. And trust me when I say my hair is normally, you know, tightly coiled over here, and oh my God, my gray is really popping out. But anyway, so what I do from here is I take a little bit of this Nairobi conditioner, Nairobi soft finish. I take just like like that much, not even that much. Maybe a little less than that normally, but anyway. And I rub it on my hair. And you can see already more of my curls are starting to populate. You know what I mean? And I just rub it in real good. Make sure my hair is saturated. No, I don't have a relaxer. Haven't had a relaxer for probably like 5 years. Would I call my hair 4C? Absolutely. What I noticed is that at first, my curls didn't pop out. And from what I understand, your hair is really dry. And until you really hydrate it, your natural curls don't pop out. So it was a process before my natural curls really began to become more prominent. But as you can see, they're not doing too bad. So then I take my good old Nairobi Wrap It Shine Foaming Lotion. I don't use a whole lot. I use like just that much because I only have the top of my hair to do. So I rub it on like so. And then you can really see a little bit more of what's going on with these hair curls if I just pull it out a little bit. You know, you can see how the curls just pop out. But I don't like my hair to be real soft because basically I do my hair once a week and I need it to stay all week. So after I rub all of this in, then I just go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel, which I will show you in a moment. So let me work all this through and I'll come back. All right, so as you can see, I'm looking like buckwheat right now, but anyway, I wanted to come close so you can see my hair. You know, it is rather soft. All I have on it is just the wrap-in lotion and the conditioner from the Nairobi. So now what I do is I use my good old Eco Styler gel, olive oil gel. I tried every last other one. They don't seem to work for my hair. I need the extra hold because my hair, even though it looks soft and curly, it's really not. So anyway, first thing I do, I just lay the sides down. And it's important to get all of the foam rubbed in. Sometimes I have to wipe it out if it doesn't penetrate all the way. But basically, this is what I do on the sides because I like my sides close. And then I just gel down the back. And once I do that, I work on the top. So basically, that's kind of what it looks like on the side. I'll probably, you know, trim the hair so that it's laying in a perfect little, you know, point. But anyway, I'll do that later. So anyway, so I'll come to the front. Just take a section like so. Sometimes I'll let it dry and then I'll mist it a little bit. If I want the curls to be elongated, I'll let it dry. Then I'll mist it a little bit and then I'll put the gel on. Then the curls don't draw back as much. But today, I don't care. So I'm gonna do it while it's wet. So basically, this is all I do. I just take it and I shingle it, which is what this is called. and then, you know, I let it go, and then it just kind of falls down like so. I had to look in the bigger mirror so I can see what I'm doing. And then I just go to the next piece of hair, like so. And you gotta excuse my face, as I know I'm probably looking crazy. But you know, I haven't seen you guys for a minute. Oh my gosh, I've been going through so much trauma and stress in my life. You know, I had allowed someone to stay with me that was, you know, close to me, and they were only supposed to stay for a couple of months, and it turned into like 12 months. And needless to say, when I told them they had to go, it turned into a verbally abusive environment. And I'm a pretty low-key person, so it's very stressful for me because I just like peace. But I just was like, look, I have to take my life back. Sorry, I don't know what you get ready to do, but as for me, I'm taking my life back. And you know, as a woman, sometimes we just, you know, we want to help people, we give to our detriment, and that's the one thing you can't do. You cannot give to your detriment. It's okay to give as long as it's not hurting you, but when it begins to affect you and your livelihood, that's when enough is enough. So I discovered during that process that I am an emotional eater. And so I gained a lot of weight, and I had lost like 45 pounds prior to, and during the time that the person was staying with me, I like gained it all back. So now I have to start all the way back over. So I started back over though. I lost 10 pounds this week. I'm excited about that. And you know, if any of you guys want to join me, you could click the link in here. I have a website, takemylifeback.xyz, and you can join me. I'm also going to start a Facebook group where we can interact daily. I can show you like my recipes, the things that I'm eating. I'm exercising mildly, not too much, but basically it's personal development, inspiration, motivation, you know, some entrepreneurial information as well, but mostly it's just reclaiming your life. I'm not waiting until 2018. I'm starting right now. So I just say, hey, listen, join me or watch me become fabulous. Hopefully you'll join me. That would be awesome. I would love to hear what you're taking your life back from. Because, you know, here's the thing. We give and give and give, but who gives to you? Who pours into you, right? Normally, if you're the giver, everybody else is the taker. And so when you need something, there's nobody there for you. So self-care is number one. If there is no you, there's nobody that's going to be able to take advantage of you, right? So you got to put yourself first. Putting yourself first, it's not being, you know, quote unquote selfish in the traditional way. You're being selfish in that you are number one. Why shouldn't you be? Self-preservation is key. You know, put on your oxygen mask before you put on anybody else's. So basically I only have one dependent, and that's my son. And all others, you know, if I can do it, I can do it. If I can't do it, I can't do it. That's just that. So anyway, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go on that tangent, but that's what was on my mind, on my heart. And you know, if you're interested in my results, you know, join me on the challenge. Maybe I'll post some videos here. I'm not sure, but I would love it if you would, you know, join me. Let's be fabulous and fit. For me, this is my last go around with losing weight. Okay, when I lose it this time, I'm keeping it off because I'm too old to be starting back over again. Okay, I'm going to have to get rid of my love affair with my cheddar cheese Pringles, my macaroni and cheese, my peach cobbler, my biscuits, you know, all that stuff. Anyway, you know, I'm on the straight and narrow. Now, if you want to know what I have been doing lately, I've just been doing light proteins, vegetables, fruits, and, you know, water, no sugar. I know it sounds horrendous, but it's really not that bad. Haven't had any really cravings per se. If I see something that looks good, of course I want it, but, you know, I've been pretty disciplined. So anyway, this is pretty much it. Now I'm going to get under the dryer, and I'm going to sit there for probably about 30-35 minutes till my hair is dry. Then I'm going to pull it apart. I'll come back and show you what happened next. All right, so this is what it looks like after I come from the dryer. And as you can see, it shrank down quite a little bit there. So basically from here, what I do is I come in and I just separate it little by little, you know, like so. And as I go through, I don't pull them all apart, just so that I don't have any spaces. It's pretty simple. And then sometimes what I'll do is after this, I'll take some of the Sanex strips, and if the sides aren't smashed down enough, I'll put the Sanex strips on, and I'll sit under the dryer for another like couple of minutes or whatever, just to see it smash down a little bit more. But as you can see, it's pretty nice and curly. It's cute. I like it. And the key is you have to make sure that your hair is totally dry, because if you pull it apart when it's still wet, it'll be a little frizzy, and we don't like the frizz. So there we go. And I have to go to an event today, so I have to be super cute. So anyway, I'll come back to you when it is completed, and hopefully you'll like it. All right, so pretty much I pulled most of it apart. I don't have it styled up just the way I like it yet, but you know, you get the gist. But you see what I mean? Ooh, look at that. Look at the pretty curls, pretty curls. Yes, you know, I like it. What you think? So normally I might, you know, like when I go to sleep at night, I put my scarf around and I tie it in the front, but I leave the top out. And in the morning I just take my scarf off, and basically all I have to do is, you know, go like this and, you know, pull my hair up and it's styled for the day. So it doesn't matter if it rains, if it's, you know, humidity, snow, whatever, it's all good. So I like it. Hope you like it. Hope you can see it. Sometimes I'll take a comb and I'll, you know, lift it. But I don't have a comb out right now. I just really wanted you to see how the curls come out. Hopefully I pulled all these out as well. Now I gotta give myself a shape up, and then I'll be cute. Yes, so don't forget, if you want to join my Take My Life Back challenge, click the link in the description. You know, join my Facebook group, lose some weight with me, because I'm gonna be fabulous by February. Yes, I am. I'm trying to lose 45 pounds. I lost 10 pounds this week, so I'm doing something right. So watch me or join me. I'm going to maybe post some of my progress here. I may or may not, but if you really want to interact with me, just click the link in the profile, put in your email address. We'll be connected. All right, we shall talk soon. Now I got to put on a little makeup, make myself, you know, stand out a little more, but we'll talk soon.